We are looking down the hallway on the fourth floor of Fogo Island Inn, which is actually in Fogo Island. And we have a unit at the very end, room 29, the end unit, called the Flat Earth Suite, which is the highest category room in this inn. It's a duplex or loft style, about 100 square meters. That's less interesting than what this place is. It's in Newfoundland in eastern Canada, and but it's an island. Newfoundland has tons of little islands outside of the main one, and this is one of the furthest northeast off the shore of Newfoundland, and a very sparse population, but extremely beautiful, hauntingly beautiful. You can see here, floor-to-ceiling windows. See double height. So it's a corner suite. Interesting thing is this part of the building is raised in stilts, and very large stilts, and that's in homage to the fishermen who actually had buildings built on stilts over water, so that once they catch the fish, they can process it immediately by just dumping it into the place where they actually did the processing, which was on stilts, so it could easily be transferred from a boat to the stilts. Anyway, so this has the living room area, as well as the bath and shower area is downstairs. You can see here, kind of a shelf. And then this is where you put your rollerboards, the complimentary shawl, scarves. And then this is where the minibar is. So Fogo Island Inn, or Fogo Island itself, where Fogo Island Inn is located, this is really almost pretty much the only major main accommodations on the island, and certainly one on a luxury scale. The biggest challenge of staying here is actually getting here. So you could fly into what's called Gander, which is the main airport, but from there you would have to, take a 2-hour car ride that also includes a ferry that goes from the main island to Fogo Island. So this is the bathroom, the toilet, shower, the vanity. So again, this place could be really cold in the winter, so there's floor heating for the bathroom floor, as well as all the wooden floors throughout this entire suite. This is similar to a lot of the Nordic countries. You have towel heaters here, so the towels stay warm. And so let's take a look upstairs. Anyway, so so to get to fly to Gander, you'd actually have to fly from Montreal. Maybe there's some seasonal flights from, not Montreal, Toronto. There's probably some seasonal flights elsewhere, maybe parts of the US, but we're here in the mid-September, and there is nothing of that sort. There's flights that go into St. John's, which is the other airport in the main island of Newfoundland. And but from there, that's an even longer drive, including a ferry. So this is the upstairs, which is the bedroom. You can see, again, this is a corner unit. Really awesome views. Let's see a community. Very sparsely populated. A lot of it is in the fishing industry. Far less tourism. Just hasn't developed as much. Not anywhere near, say, Nova Scotia or Prince Edward Island, for that matter. That's the other side. Okay, so we can see supposedly a very comfortable rocking chair. Before we show you the upstairs bathroom, there's another area where you can hang your clothes, shelf, safe, some more space to put stuff. So this is a bathroom. So there's 2 toilets in this flat earth suite. So as you can see here, this is a pretty awesome view. There's nice hikes. We're here during berry season. There's 12 different varieties of wild berries that are ripe for the picking, and then you can do private berry picking, and then later go to someone's house where they'll you can make a compote or jam or preserves with them. There's whale watching. There's things that you could visit the community. A variety of things, so you can just chill out and enjoy the view. The other benefit of the Finder Suite is that, Flat Earth Suite, is you can rent a Tesla. Free of charge. It actually comes with a room. And sometimes to get around, it would be nice to have a car. Now, the other thing is, complimentary-wise, you could rent an e-bike here or just a regular bicycle. So I won't say there's oh my God, I have to do it before I die things to do, activity-wise, but that you can actually go on a cod expedition, cod fishing. There's cooking, learning the way to cook. You can refer to their website for more details on the things that they have on offer. I just checked in, so I'm not super familiar with everything, but what I am familiar with is the room that we're in, which is the Flat Earth Suite. This is a wood fireplace or wood burning stove. You can see that they have a welcome brioche, I guess, I don't know, and with coffee, tea, and that's molasses and butter. Molasses is often used here, I don't know why, but it's supposedly healthier than sugar because it's unrefined sugar. And this is a welcome letter to us. Again, you can see the stilts. This is this part of this room is part of the Fogo Island Inn that is raised on stilts. And then there's a nice little reading book for our pleasure. So anyways, let me get you a better view just directly below. And actually, let me just leave you with a view over here, as there's another community that you can see. There are some wildlife. There's coyotes. Well, actually, you can't see the community from here. Coyotes, Canadian lynx, caribou, foxes, rabbits. Anyway, so we're really happy to be here, and we'll be enjoying the next 3 days at Fogo Island and staying at Fogo Island Inn in Newfoundland, Canada.